Guys, I'm going to show you how to make fall off the bone, beautiful barbecue baby back ribs coming up. This is CJHQ. I'm CJ, and guys, today on my Pit Boss Copperhead vertical smoker, we are going to be doing some fall off the bone baby back ribs, barbecue style. They're going to turn out amazing. I know it for sure. All right, guys, so I just did a backyard trim on these. I did the pulled off the membrane, which is easy to do. You take that butter knife, you slide it underneath that back membrane, get a little paper towel, get your fingers underneath it, and just yank it off. Sometimes you get lucky, it comes off in one piece. I'm gonna cut off the ends because they're real thin, and they're gonna cook much faster than the rest of the rib. And then we're gonna season it up with little the sweet rub from Hay Grill Hay, and then we're gonna use a little Kosmo's Cube Dirty Bird Hot, just to add a little sweet heat to it. You know, I'm a big fan of sweet heat, so that's what we're gonna do with this. It's gonna be real simple, real easy cook. Make sure you guys stick with me on this one. It's gonna be a good 5-6 hour cook, but I know a lot of people out there love their ribs fall off the bone style. That's what we're gonna try to accomplish today, so make sure you stick with me on this one, and we'll get done, all right? Come on back. All right, we're gonna set it up for 275. So I have the competition blend pellets from Pit Boss, and we're gonna get this thing started. Got water in the water pan, it's warming up. Let's get these badass ribs on there. Come on back. All right, guys, we got this thing ready to go. We're gonna do it at 275. Like I said, we got the water pan in there. Let's add our first rack of ribs on. We're gonna do it diagonally because I didn't trim these, you know, to fit. So we're gonna use 2 racks. All right, looking good. And you know, we got our Pitmaster's privilege over here. Gonna add the little ends that we cut off. Those will cook up a little quicker. We'll eat those a little bit sooner. Got those all in there. Got that 275. I've already set it up. We got Charlie walking in the background in that reflection. All right, guys, we're gonna keep an eye on these about every half hour or so. Give them a little spritz with apple juice and a little water, and we'll keep them nice and moist. We'll wrap them up with some goodies. Take them out of the wrap, set the sauce on there. This will be lovely. All right, come on back. Okay, we're about half hour, 45 minutes in. Let's take a look at those beautiful ribs. I want to give them a spritz. Smoke loves moisture. Put that one in. Put it back out. Give it a little spritz too. Okay, everything's going to plan. Looks great. All right, we're 2 hours in. Let's take a look at these bad boys. Not interesting. Still looking pretty good. Give them a little spritz. Like I said, it's just a little water and apple juice. We see, look at the drippage from the top rack of ribs to this bottom one. That's interesting. I'll have to remember that next time. Slide it in. Oh, it's tender. Look at that. 172, 180. All right, guys, let's you know, I spritzed them, but I think they're ready to come off. Well, this bottom one's ready. The bottom one's feeling tender. This top one, we got a little ways to go. All right, so let's remember that too. The closer to the heat, obviously, the faster it's gonna cook. But it's looking pretty good. We'll let it go another half hour or so, then we'll pull it and wrap it. Our smoking buddy Charlie. So Charlie, what's up, pops? He's like, no, I don't do tricks. See, hey, Charlie, stop looking at me. Charlie, this is awkward. Actually switch up the racks of ribs, because obviously this top one was on the bottom and it's damn near ready. This one on the bottom needed a little bit more time, so I wanted to get closer to the heat, but it's all good. Everything's coming out real nice. Have to remember to do a little switch up next time, or you know, these shrunk up so much. I could have put them side by side. We're looking all right. We're about 3 hours in on these bad boys. I'm gonna pull them and wrap them. Let's check the temp right quick. I mean, they're already tender as can be. Yeah, 175, 176. We're looking good. Oh, get them over here. My little barbecue table. Can't forget the extra bits. Always some extra bits. Alright, let's go inside. Get these wrapped up. Okay, guys, let's get these ribs wrapped up real nice. Alright, first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna put a little of this barbecue sauce down. Little just the everything barbecue sauce from Hey Grill Hey. Love that name. Hey Grill Hey. Like Hey Girl Hey. Got a little Cajun sweet. Instead of using brown sugar, we're gonna use this stuff. Has a little cinnamon in there, vanilla, sugar, all that good stuff. Got my butter. Everything's better with butter. You guys can use that blue bottle stuff if you want, but I like a natural butter because I'm a natural kind of guy. Right, honey?
It's true.
It's true. I'm a natural kind of guy. All right, so let's get a couple little nuggets of this butter. All of a sudden, I got a country accent. Get a little butter, like Paula Deen. Pound of butter. We're gonna put this on meat side down. Oh, that's a thick rack of ribs right there. But Mrs. CJ likes it thick.
That's also true.
And meaty.
That's, again, true.
Thick and meaty.
True.
We're gonna put a little bit of this dusting on the backside. Again, remember we used a little of that sweet heat. We got some Dirty Bird Hot along with the sweet rub. So we are definitely going for the sweet heat profile. Right. We're gonna double wrap these ribs, and we'll add our apple juice in there. We're just gonna add just a little bit in there, just a little moisture, help that meat braise a little bit. So, say not even more than a quarter cup. Lift it up, let it drain through. Right. Okay. Put those down. Make sure that wrap is tight. I'm gonna wrap it this way now. We put it back on the pellet smoker. We're going to put it meat side down because that's where the heat's going to come from. It'll braise it up real nice. Get this other one done, and we'll be back out on the pig. Right, we're wrapped up. Let's get them back in here, huh? What do you say? It's the spot one. Right, put that first rack in there. Second rack. The extra little nuggets. Alright, give it another hour or so. We'll check for tenderness, temperature. Should be good to go. We'll do a quick set with it too. Okay, guys, it's been another hour and a half or so. Let's check the temps on these bad boys. Oh god, it's like butter. These are definitely in the 200s. Yeah, 211. All right, guys. Definitely time to pull off, get them in the house, get them sauced up, and then get them back out here to set the sauce. All right, guys, we got the first rack of ribs out of the wrap over here. It's looking pretty dang good, but it's pretty dang tender because we just tore it in half. So it happens, not a big deal. We're still gonna sauce them up. We'll add it back into the pit, just half and half. Real easy, not a big deal. All right, so let's add this on here. I'm not a big saucy kind of guy, so we're just gonna do a little bit on the top. It's been braised real nice already, so obviously it's very tender. Get that painted in real nice. Oh yeah, it looks great. The smell is awesome. Nice, nice, nice. All right, let's get the other one done. We'll get it back on the pit. Back out on the pit here. Both of these ribs have kind of broken because they're so soft and tender. All right, had to put the camera down to get these in here. Just gonna let them go another 20 minutes or so. Let that sauce set and we'll be ready. All right, guys, we are done with the cook. And what did I tell you? Fall off the bone ribs turned out amazing. Guys, I couldn't even get my knife through them without them breaking apart. I had a little issue when I was getting the sauce on there to get them set. They broke in half on the grill and indoors, so it's not the end of the world. You know, they're not turning in for judging. You guys are judging, but you clicked on the link because you wanted to see some fall apart ribs, so that's exactly what we got in there. The smoke was right on them. The bite through, well, like I said, we're not doing competition style ones here. We're doing nice fall apart ribs, and that's what we got. Sweet heat. Oh, it was just amazing. Guys, you can do this on any of your smokers, but if you do the route that I did, do it at 275. Do it for about 2.5 hours of just getting that smoke in there. Wrap it for 2 hours. Get that barbecue sauce set on there. You're gonna have perfect fall apart ribs like I did today. All right. So all my fans of barbecue, thank you for being here today, guys. Thank you for supporting the channel. That's it for today. Thanks for stopping by the backyard and barbecuing with CJ. Take care.